Hey guys, I'm working on the 460 here. I'll turn you guys around. And I got my truck ripped all into pieces. Long story short, the fan clutch failed. I checked the water pump and the water pump shaft was bad. And there was some other crap, some messed with the pan gasket, didn't put it on right. Front crank seal and rear crank seal were leaking. So we're here. Pan's off of it, chain's gonna get replaced, whole front of the truck's tore off. So if any of you guys are ever working on, I don't know if it's just a 460, but injectors that push in with O-rings, I found a really easy way to block the injector holes, and that is with earplugs. And so if you look, you squish them down except for just the head, and it keeps the dirt out of the injector holes while I'm cleaning the motor. So you can see on this side I've already got the valve cover painted. I'm going to do this side, and then I'm going to paint the block too. Another thing that happened, thank God mine doesn't go all the way through, if you can see real carefully, is this head is cracked, but the crack runs through here and then back this way, so it's just the corner of the head. I'm not replacing the head. I don't care enough. It's not leaking exhaust, so I'm just gonna leave it there. I managed to get this stupid thing out. So anyways, if any of you guys are looking for a quick way to plug injector holes, if you don't have huge injectors, earplugs work. Talk to you later. Hope this helps somebody.